Good day, my name is Shingen Ogami.
And I'm Luis Ong.
Today we are here to discuss congruent angles.
Let's take a look at this figure.
This figure, we are given angle ABE with interior points C and D. This creates a ray inside angle ABE.
We're given the information that angle ABC is congruent to angle DBE. We must prove that angles ABD and CBE are congruent.
The concepts needed in this topic include congruent angles, angle addition, substitution, transitive and addition property of equality.
As mentioned by Shingen, our main topic today will be congruent angles. Angles are congruent if and only if their measures are equal. For example, if angle B and angle M are congruent, then the measure of angle B is equal to the measure of angle M. Angle addition postulate. If B is in the interior of angle ADC, then measure of angle ADB plus measure of angle BDC is equal to the measure of angle ADC. Addition property. If A is equal to B, then A plus 3 is equal to B plus 3. If A is equal to B, then A plus negative 3 is equal to B plus negative 3. So A minus 3 is equal to B minus 3. Transitive property. If A is equal to B and B is equal to C, then A is equal to C. First, we are given the statement that angle ABC is congruent to angle DBE. From this, we can say that measure of angle ABC is equal to measure of angle DBE by the definition of congruent angles. Measure of angle ABC plus measure of angle CBD plus measure of angle DBE is equal to measure of angle ABE. And measure of angle ABD plus measure of angle DBE is equal to measure of angle ABE, as well as measure of angle ABC plus measure of angle CBE is equal to measure of angle ABE also. This can be proven by the angle addition postulate. Since measure of angle ABD plus measure of angle DBE and measure of angle ABC plus measure of angle CBE are both equal to the measure of angle ABE, we can say that measure of angle ABD plus measure of angle DBE is equal to measure of angle ABC plus measure of angle CBE. This is known as the transitive property of equality. Since the measure of angle ABC is equal to the measure of angle DBE, we can replace angle ABC with angle DBE. This is known as the substitution property of equality. We can now cancel measure of angle DBE on both sides of the equation. This leaves us with measure of angle ABD is equal to measure of angle CBE. This is supported by the addition property of equality. Lastly, from this, we can say that angle ABD is congruent to angle CDE due to the definition of congruent angles.